Have you noticed that sometimes in your garden, apart from the plant that you planted, there are so many other plants that sometimes take over the garden. These weeds, as we call them, can sometimes be good but sometimes be bad for your garden as well. Here in our terrace garden, we have some weeds that are actually edible, if not having medicinal properties as well. Come, let's have a look. This is Honagane soppu. Honagane soppu grows mainly during the rainy season and is high in iron content. This is wild dantu. Sometimes if your pots are empty, you may see this wild dantu taking over. This can be easily put into your sambars and your stir fries. Huli soppu. This can be a replacement for your tamarind in your dish because it has a very tangy sour taste. Wild portulaca. The leaves of this plant are very succulent. These wild greens are delicious to put into any stir fry. Kashi soppu or ganike soppu. The leaves of this plant are also high in iron, but what's most interesting are these delicious looking berries that are purple in color, and they're also sweet. If you would like to grow some nutritious greens on your terrace garden, get in touch with us at UrbanMali.com.